could have sworn Leaky Leona just said, I pass. That's right. Hey, what's the big... What? What? What's happening to me?
You're getting younger. I'll make you all so young that you'll cease to exist.
No! That's not
No one can know about my fountain. Not even you kids next door. How about one more shot, baby? Stop it, Leona! You can't do this! Leona, what you're doing is wrong. I know. Oh, no, no. Leona, please. I'm sorry.
Just bend the legs and push off. Trust me, Mouse.
Look at you!
Faster, baby, faster! You got it, my little voodoo doll!